2012 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, 6-speed manual transmission, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, auto-off headlights, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, side head airbag, heated driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.